Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Cube Capital TV channel, where we help entrepreneurs access funding, grow their businesses, and build lasting financial success. If you're a business owner or planning to start a business, one question is on everyone's mind. How do you actually thrive in 2026? Not just survive. The business landscape is changing fast, but the opportunities are bigger than ever. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 powerful strategies that will help your business grow, stay competitive, and position itself for success in 2026 and beyond. The first key to thriving in 2026 is access to capital. Many businesses fail not because they don't have a great idea, but because they don't have the funding to scale. In today's economy, smart entrepreneurs are exploring multiple funding options, including business credit, lines of credit, alternative lending, investor partnerships, revenue-based funding. Successful businesses make sure they prepare financially before they need the money. That means building strong business credit, keeping clean financial records, and maintaining good cash flow. At Cube Capital Group, we focus on helping businesses understand their funding options so they can grow with confidence. Tip 2. Build digital authority. The second strategy is building digital authority. In 2026, if people can't find your business online, they may assume it doesn't exist. Every business should have a professional website, active social media presence, Google business profile, online reviews, and testimonials. Consumers today research businesses before they buy. The companies that win are the ones that show up consistently online and build trust with their audience. Your online presence is no longer optional. It's part of your business infrastructure. Tip 3. Focus on customer experience. The third key is exceptional customer experience. In a competitive marketplace, the businesses that thrive are the ones that make customers feel valued. That means responding quickly, providing clear communication, delivering consistent quality, solving problems efficiently. Remember this: happy customers become repeat customers, and repeat customers build sustainable businesses. Word of mouth, referrals, and reviews will continue to drive business growth in 2026. Tip 4. Use technology and automation. The fourth strategy is leveraging technology and automation. Technology allows businesses to scale faster while reducing workload. Smart businesses are using tools for customer relationship management, CRM, automated marketing, accounting software, AI-powered customer support, workflow automation. Instead of doing everything manually, automation allows you to focus on strategy, leadership, and growth. Businesses that adopt technology early often gain a major competitive advantage. Tip 5. Build strong business structure. And finally, the fifth strategy is building a strong business foundation. Thriving businesses in 2026 understand the importance of structure. That includes the right business entity, compliance with state and IRS requirements, proper bookkeeping, clear business plans, strategic partnerships. When your business foundation is strong, it becomes easier to qualify for funding, attract investors, and scale operations. Preparation today creates opportunity tomorrow. Thriving in 2026 isn't about luck. It's about strategy, preparation, and smart financial decisions. If you're a business owner looking for funding options, growth strategies, or financial guidance, Cube Capital Group is here to help. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming episodes on business funding, credit, and entrepreneurship. And remember, the businesses that prepare today will lead tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.